Hello guys, it's meteorologist Mark with me. I'm here with an update on Hurricane Earl. I have a few things to talk about today. So I'm going to do an update on Hurricane Earl, severe weather, and yes, we are in the month of August. Well, tomorrow, September still, right? And we also have some winter weather to talk about. It's pretty cool. Which I'm going to get to right now for you guys. We do have Hurricane Earl that is going to be coming up the eastern seaboard, especially for Thursday into Saturday, I would say, from anywhere from the Carolinas to New England and Maine. You can see, if you can see this area, it's circled in the red right here. That is hurricane watches, and really closely, if you can look right under the purple is tropical storm watches. So let me just show you that real quick. You can see this whole area is shaded in the pink, or should I say purplish. What I'm outlining right now in the purple, these are all tropical, hurricane watches. And if you can see the area down here in the orange, that's a tropical storm watch. So we are watching that for you guys. But anyway, I want to get back to now's weather. Another thing I wanted to get to is right here. We do have severe thunderstorm watches, including Des Moines, Iowa area. They're mainly just pop-up severe storms. It's not like a big deal. They're not like big deals. They're just pop-up severe storms, so that's not too much of a big problem. So, but if you're in the Des Moines area, expect some strong severe storms around your area. Hail, damaging winds, heavy rain, possibility of a tornado. And you have to keep watching because there was some reports yesterday of tornadoes. We did have a not tornado streak for a while. We had a streak going on with no tornadoes, and yesterday the streak was broken because we did have a few touchdowns. So we are watching that. And up here, yes, up here in this little blue area, right there, that's a winter weather advisory. I would also explain that for you guys. We do have a winter weather advisory up for Montana. I want to show you guys that also. But let's get to tropical storm. Should I say Hurricane Earl? A strong category 4 may hit a category 5 briefly, a weak category 5, and then downgrade back to a strong category 4, and then weaken. But first of all, you can see this is the projected path for it. They're thinking it's going to mainly be now just a category 4, but I'm thinking this line once it gets right here, it could reach a 5 real quick. So right there, it could get a 5 real quick and go back to a 4. And then it's going to turn back into a category 3 when it's here. Once it's near our area, it's going to be a weak category 3 to a strong category 2. As you can see, and if you hear, these are the primary areas that are getting hit. Half southern New Jersey's in it, including the coast. I'm thinking with this hurricane, the coast is going to get better than most. Heavy rains, some wind, or beach erosion. So you have to watch out at the shore. I would not recommend going to the shore at all. If you're staying at the shore, you gotta stay in the hotel because it's going to be pretty nasty. I would not be surprised. I'm actually pretty much kind of certain. I'm not really certain, but I'm kind of thinking there will be tropical storm watches or even warnings issued for even southern New Jersey. We may be in a tropical storm watch. I'm not 100% sure because we're not going to get the worst of it, but for sure I'm pretty much certain they may get a watch, but we'll be watching that for you guys, so we'll see what goes on. I do want to show you what the hurricane looks like right now. If we get to the model, there we go. We got the hurricane up. You can see right in the hurricane, you can see we got now a well-defined eye. You can really see that eye, and you can just see it just spinning around in the clockwork direction. And again, with that eye right there, that bullseye, if you get in that bullseye, it is going to be great. I'm not thinking anybody's going to get in that bullseye. Possibly Maine. When that moves up north and away from our area, that possibly may hit Maine as a minimal category 1 hurricane. Not thinking it's going to be like a cat 4, but again, man, you can just right here, if you're in that red area and over here, you got some pretty good waves. I'm saying at least 20 to 50 foot waves. They're damaging. You got some pretty bad waves in there. So Here's another projected path on Earl by Weatherbug. You can see they do have it. They do have it hitting us slightly over here. And they also have it near the Carolinas as a Category 1. So I'm kind of thinking once it gets like to here, it's going to be a weak Category 2 to Category weak Category 2 to a strong Category 1. But I'm also thinking that this right here is 2 might be still be weak 3. So that's what we'll be watching for you guys. Anyway, enough with the hurricanes. I do want to show you something interesting now. A winter weather advisory. Here we go. We do have a winter weather advisory for Montana. You can see it right here. There we go. I just circled it in the gray. That's a winter weather advisory. And snow is expected, as I will show you right now. Here we go. Look, you can see on the map. Look at this snow. This is for Montana. You can see tonight, Wednesday through Thursday, is going to be a chance of snow, especially Wednesday night. Especially Wednesday through Wednesday night, as you do have 180% chance of snow. And yes, there is going to be some accumulation. There definitely should be some accumulation, as I will show you right now. Here we go. This is with the thing, with the storm. With the weather advisory. Tonight's going to be rain, snow showers, becoming all snow after midnight. Temperatures rising to about 43 by 1 a.m. Breezy west winds 23 to 26 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. It seems like they're going to be more windier than us, and they're not even in a hurricane. So, yeah. Chance of precipitation 100%. Total nighttime snow accumulations around 1 inch. Now look at this. Wednesday. Snow showers. Temperatures falling to around 29 by 10 a.m. 2 to 4 inches of snow is possible. So, yeah. Then we have Wednesday night, which is going to be snow showers before midnight. And look at this. With the snow showers, there may be some thunder. So there might be some thunder. So that'd be pretty interesting to see. So, yeah. We'll be watching that for you guys. So enough of that. Let's get to our detailed 7-day forecast. Here we go. For tonight, it's going to be clear, a low of 64. It's going to be pretty mild, I would say. But a low of 64, light, soft southwest winds. So, not too much of a bad wind tonight. And tomorrow, it's going to be sunny, another hot. I'm thinking anywhere ranging from 96 to 99 to 100. Some spots might hit 100 tomorrow. Calm winds becoming west between 4 and 7 miles per hour. As the afternoon and evening progresses, the wind will pick up. Wednesday night is going to be clear with a low around 65. Then southwest winds 6 miles per hour. Becoming calm, I would say probably after midnight they'll be becoming calm. Thursday, sunny. Another blazing scorching day. High 92, I'd say 92 to 96. You can get calm winds becoming south between 5 and 8 miles per hour. So, and then as we get into Thursday night through Friday night, Thursday night is when the showers coming in now with Hurricane Earl. Now, once the showers start rolling in, I'm thinking that this model may be a little wrong. I'm kind of thinking that the wind will pick up a little bit. I am thinking that we will have some gusty wind. I'm thinking here in the where we are in the more interior part of southern New Jersey, I'm kind of thinking anywhere from 20 to 40 mile per hour winds possible. And along the coast, I'm thinking 30 to possibly a gust of 60. I'm not thinking it's going to be that bad, but I'm just thinking, like I say, a possibility of tropical storm watches. So Thursday night is going to be slight chance of showers after 2 a.m. Then it's going to be mostly cloudy with a low 67. Chance of precipitation. Chance of precipitation is 20%. East winds between 3 and 6 miles per hour. And then Friday is when basically Hurricane Earl is technically on top of us. Not really going to be on top of us. The remnants of Hurricane Earl, it's going to be near us, so we're going to have showers, some gusty winds, showers after 8 a.m. It's a 50% chance of showers too, so it's going to be a pretty good chance, 50-50 chance of seeing showers. And then high of 84. I'm saying winds will probably be anywhere. Like I said, 20. You might get a gust of 40. Slight chance of a 40 mile per hour gust, but you might get new rainfall amounts of less than 1/10 of an inch. I'm saying expect higher amounts in hurricane-prone areas where the hurricane is going to be the closest to. And then we have Friday night. It's going to be partly cloudy with a low of 62. So it's going to be a pretty nice night because Hurricane Earl is going to be moving out, moving into New England and the Maine and New York State. So that's pretty good. Let's take a look through Saturday through Labor Day. Saturday, sunny with a high of 80. Pretty nice day. I would say Saturday through Sunday night is nice. So same with Labor Day. Saturday through Labor Day is nice. It's going to be Saturday sunny, Saturday night's clear, Sunday sunny, Sunday night's clear, and Labor Day sunny. And it's going to be all in the 80s to low 70s, to high 70s. So Saturday is 80 degrees, sunny. Sunday night 55. It's going to be a little bit cooler because we will have a cold front move through. And you just saw the winter weather advisory. That's what the cold front, that winter weather advisory, it's causing that snow right now. So it's a pretty strong cold front. Sunday 78, sunny. Sunday night clear, 57. And Labor Day is going to be a little mild again with a high of 82. So pretty nice. And as we go on to Monday night, it's going to be mostly clear. 58, Tuesday, sunny. So we're expecting great weather. I'm thinking after tropical storm, I'm thinking after Hurricane Earl moves out, it's going to be really nice weather. I'm not really thinking that we're going to be getting too much in the way of Hurricane Earl. I'm just thinking we will get some rain showers and gusty wind, and a tropical storm watch will be issued. So, I'm thinking down the coast, and even if you're in North Carolina, up to the New Jersey coast, up to Maine, if you guys get under tropical storm watches or hurricane warnings or watches, be alert. Stay tuned for evacuation plans. If a sheriff or somebody says you must be evacuated this area, please stay safe. Because I'm now reading in North Carolina they are opening up shelters to stay in because there is that hurricane coming and there is a hurricane watch. And the hurricane watch may have to be upgraded to, sadly, a hurricane warning, as Hurricane Earl may be bringing its wrath, especially along the coast. Like I said, if I go back to that picture right here, this is a hurricane watch, and in there, if you're, I'm going to read these counties off to you. If you're in Edith County, Columbia, Nags Head, Swank Quarter, Moorhead, Jacksonville, Newburgh, you guys are under all hurricane watches. You have to be aware for evacuation plans, because as a hurricane minister, you guys may be experiencing evacuation plans, so please be aware of that and stay safe out there. If any hurricane warnings are issued, I would recommend getting, these are the supplies that I would recommend having with you. Food for at least a week, first aid kits, drinks, plenty of water. It's recommended water. And before the hurricane hits, because if you're under hurricane watch, that most likely sort of means it's going to be upgraded to a hurricane warning. So I would definitely recommend boarding up the houses right now as you're under the watch, so you're safe when the warning comes. So as you're under the watch now, board up the houses. Especially, I will circle the areas for you guys. Especially along the coastal areas around here, definitely board up the houses with wood, because that is where I'm expecting at least, I'm possibly thinking you may get 60 to 80 mile per hour winds possible, some gusts higher than that. And in with here with this hurricane watch, I'm thinking you may get 40 to 60 mile per hour winds possible. And down here with the tropical storm watch, you may get 35 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts. So stay safe out there. Board up the houses. First aid kit, food for a week, drinks for a week. Stay safe out there. Alright, I'm meteorologist Mark Fignani. Enjoy the night. I'll be back with more hurricane updates. Stay tuned for tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We will be bringing you hurricane updates on this storm. So I'm meteorologist Mark Fignani. Please enjoy your night and keep watching alerts for that evacuation plans.